Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this HPRT T20 label maker. As you can see, it's this portable little device right here, and it has the charging port right there. It's a really cute little device, USB-C charging cable included. It also comes with a short little user manual on how to use it, pretty basic stuff. And the labels come out very nicely, as you can see right there. Nice dark ink, and they have perforations between each of the labels, so you can easily just rip off your label once you've had it printed out. The app is super easy to use, as you'll see here in a second. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you how to create a label that says Deep Discounts Club, like so. So I'm going to just click on text, double click, and then type in what I want. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and center it, bold it, make it a little bit bigger. Go here to select the font. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to go back, reduce the line spacing, reduce the character spacing, and then enlarge it. So there it is. I was easily able to align the labels inside here. You basically just want to squeeze this on both sides and then pop it open. As you can see right here, this was just a test one. We'll go ahead and rip that off. So there are the labels. You pretty much just squeeze these two sides here to the width of your labels, and then you just load it up. So you put one like between there, close it off, and it'll be white when it's ready to go. Press it twice to calibrate, and then press 3 times to print out a sample page. So it just displays all the information right there. But as I said, this one printed out, I was able to design this super easily, and I like how easy it is to connect. You pretty much don't even need a user manual. You just need the name of the app and then the printer itself, and just like what the basic, literally pushing the buttons do, like pushing this for 3 seconds turns it on, 3 seconds turns it off, 2 times calibrates, 3 times prints out the sample, and then you control the rest through the app. It's really amazing. These are great little labels that you could just label any of your DIY stuff, any of your things that you're selling, and it just makes the whole entrepreneur aspect of doing things a lot easier. So overall, I highly recommend this label maker. Thanks for watching.